In this full guide 2026, I'll show you how to fix Tinkercad export errors. If you're trying to export your design but the download fails, the export button doesn't work, or you receive an error message, don't worry. In most cases, you can solve the problem with a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, make sure your design has finished loading completely. If Tinkercad is still processing your model, exporting may not work correctly. Wait a few moments until the workspace is fully responsive before trying again. Next, check your internet connection. Since Tinkercad processes exports online, a slow or unstable connection can interrupt the export process. Refresh the page and try exporting your design again. If the export still fails, inspect your model for errors. Extremely complex designs, overlapping shapes, or objects with invalid geometry can sometimes cause export problems. Try grouping your objects again, or simplifying the design before exporting. You should also try exporting in a different file format. For example, if STL export fails, test OBJ or another available format. This can help determine whether the issue is related to a specific export type. Another helpful step is to clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart your browser. You can also try using a different supported browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox. Make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. If browser extensions are installed, especially ad blockers or privacy extensions, temporarily disable them and try exporting again. Opening Tinkercad in an incognito or private window is another good way to test whether an extension is causing the problem. If none of these solutions work, duplicate your design and attempt to export the copy. Occasionally, creating a duplicate can resolve unexpected project issues. If the problem continues, it may be a temporary issue with Tinkercad's servers, so wait a little while and try again later. And that's how to fix Tinkercad export errors. Thanks for watching this full guide 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Tinkercad tutorials. See you in the next video.